attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on the screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room amenities, facilities and images, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with previous meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Booking or more details below the description. If you are facing any kind of problem with booking or this hotel, then let us by the link. We will help you check the links and share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.